how to buy TTC, the TYCOON token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before you go in and buy this token, go and check their X account. As you can see, they have a big community there. Now, to be able to buy this token, it's by going to CoinGisco and open this token there. Now, after that, click on markets from here. And this token is available on gate.io. Now click on here to be able to relax your gate.io and make sure you have an account. Just go and log into your gate.io.token the gate.io account. Now after that, as you can see, you will see here this option buy. Now select market from here. As you can see, now here type how much of TTC you want to buy. For example, if you want to buy like 2,000 or like 20,000, and as you can see, after that you will be able to click here on buy. So after that you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the TTC token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.